if you have more than one source inside of a parentheses, how do you separate them? You separate them by using the semicolon. Remember, semicolon, no space before, one space after. So here we have Barron, 94. What is 194? 194 is the page number. Jacobs, 55. What is 55? 55 is the page number. Different locations inside the same source, you separate with a comma. So for example, Barron, 194. What is 194? Page number. 200. What is 200? Page number. These two are inside the same paper by Barron. Also, 197, 298. That is 2 pages. And where are they? They are also all inside the same research paper. So, Barron, here, here, and here. All the same source. Single source. What if it's not the same source? What if there are different sources? Multiple works by the same author. Author used shortened titles joined by the word and. So for example, this is the author. This is one paper. This is another paper. These are 2 different papers. In APA, we would use the year, the date. But in MLA, we don't use the date. We use the name of the paper. Now, this is not the whole name of the paper, but what we do is we just use the first or second word to help us see that it's different. So Gluck has one paper called Ersatz Thought, something, something, something. He wrote something more here. And another paper called For something, 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 something. We don't know what. We need to look at the reference list. But you see, this helps us to tell that these are 2 papers, 2 research papers, or 2 books by Gluck, but they have different names. And I'm citing them in one parentheses here. So I have 2 different papers I'm citing. 1 paper, 2 paper, 1 author. What if you have 3 or more? And in that case, Gluck, and here's 1 paper, comma, 1 paper, comma, and another paper. So here we separate this with and, no comma. And then here we have comma, comma, and then the last one. Now, in this case, these are chapter names. So this is chapter. How do I know it's a chapter? Because it's inside quotation mark. It's part of something bigger. And then forward is actually the forward to the whole book. I think that should be in quotation marks actually too. I think that's wrong. I should have had that in quotation marks because they're part of the whole book. Okay, but you get that point here. Comma, comma, and.